fucking vote. They even hid the vote. And we still won.
Obama, yo!
You're right, Obama, yes. Yes, Obama.
Can you sing that song called My President by Young Jeezy?
No, I know all about that song. That's the shit I don't like.
My president's black.
That's the shit I don't like. What? Kanye and Jeezy and that's the shit I don't like.
I was just about to say somebody birthday.
I don't even know the words that much.
That's the shit I don't like.
What? Can you do that, Chief Keef? Can you do Chief Keef?
That ill nigga. That's the shit I don't like.
Bang bang!
I can't say nothing that's your real black man. I'ma hand it to you this time. I'ma hand it to you this time. You're a real black dude for real. I'ma hand it to you this time. You deserve it. I'ma hand it to you.
Can you rap 3-6 Mafia? 3-6 Mafia slob on my knob. Like on the cup. Check in with me and do your job. Lay on the bed and give me a head. Don't have to ask. Don't have to.
You're a bus with a whole bunch of black people. You know the white person.
I don't even care. I'm used to it.
I know you used to it. I think you used to it. I like white people, you know that? I like white men, you know that? That's why I got on the bus with you, just to see. You know how to stick around right now. You cold, okay? You cold. Real cold, okay? I had to get on the bus to see it. I had to. Even though I'm going to River Mall to go look around. But I had to go see it. You're protected by all white and black people, baby. You're in there. You in there. You got people recording you. You in there. My phone is at home. I can't record nobody. I ain't got no phone right now. My phone is at home. Just like a black nigga. See your phone at home.
He's like, wow. Oh, wow.
Everybody got iPhones and shit like that. I ain't got shit on me. No phone, no contact, no Facebook. I'm out of luck. I can show you how to get laid.
I have you guys' reactions on the video.
She said she ain't got no phone, but she can show you how to get laid. Man, I'm going home and smoke like 3-4 blunts and minutes on this video. Like, motherfucker, like, yeah. I wish I had a flash screen because I know these motherfuckers pick up the
A flat screen, god damn.
God.
On a flat screen,
That's why I have my iPod ready.
A flat screen, god damn. If you need a flat screen to carry with you, god damn. Anybody see with a flat screen, god damn.
Oh man, this is making my day.
I hope you don't put this on YouTube because my husband is at home and he's white.
Roll that thumbs up.
YouTube is in. Webcam is out.
Wow. This is
Everybody
awesome.
put everything on the internet right now.
Once I get my internet.